WPC India Assam Open State Powerlifting Championship Keplayengai bumung khaikya hasteni sajak Swarida Burma. Swarida Burma bini kami Kamalgatni Sipai kamio bufanimung Ananda de Burma tai bumanimung Jonna de Burma. Arunachal Pradesh BTech Electric Engineer Shrangi tongnai Swarida Burma thangnai salkisa sakang Assam Open State Powerlifting Championship bataimani. Keplaimani yagolo bo fainai national level bo thangnani bagai tiyar khaitango aboni bagai hasteni joto lokorogno hamjamung tai phanina bagai koimung yafarka bokok Swarida Burma naini di chini bangpili
Swarida Burma please. She has got first place in 56 kg junior category in full powerlifting. Congratulations. Thank you.
Hi, Jatono Kulumka, Animung Swarida Burma, Anikami, Sipai Para Kamalgat. Recently, Assam Kaisa WPC India organized Khaika Assam Open State Powerlifting Championship. Ang ora thangai and weight category wa ang first mangkha. Ngetag state level thangai paikha tabuk next ang national level thangna bagai ang select angkha hingke ang norno koyo norgano support khaidi te an bagai pre khaidi jate ang tebo buskango thangai agugai manthang hambai.